A special in BokehPix is a way to represent an event that you may be having for multiple people directly on your website with the option for them to book using different packages. To get started, go to your website pages and search for the page menu called Specials. You can actually call the page whatever you'd like on your website, such as mini sessions in this case. You can provide an introduction message or not, if there is at least one special available, and you can also indicate if there are none that you don't want any. You can also toggle between wanting the submenu for every special event or listing them all on one page with the icons in this section. You can set your background theme as a light or dark, reset the order, and make sure that you have a Stripe account set up and integrated with our system. Without the Stripe account, you will not be allowed to set up any specials. You can come here to go ahead and start editing specials as you wish. There is another location, however, to do this. Back on your dashboard, you can see that special events are indicated in orange when they are booked. You can click on any date and select Special Event, which will create the basics of your special here, using the name, the location, the dates when it will start, the questions that you will ask, and the packages. Let's go ahead and start editing a special now. You can go to Website and select Website Specials, view your upcoming specials or historical specials from which you can copy all the details and images, and you can start editing it right away, either pressing New Special or selecting from an existing one. You'll notice that all the details will let you know if they are required or not once you click Save. But what's most important after your question sets and locations and dates have been filled in are the payment options. Payment options, where one is required, allow you to set up different options for them to select how they would like to pay. If you just want them to be able to book for free, you can set the amount to 0. Every package requires an automated action, such as, are you going to send them an email upon a successful booking, or will you start a workflow process? You can add as many as you want and select from your existing workflow templates or existing email templates. You can also place a description that will show up on the special at the beginning of the page. Location information will also be automatically inserted as part of the special, depending on what you select. The full address will be listed inside the event. The category is just for your records alone. Once you've filled out the details, other tabs become available, such as Images. On the images, you can upload as many images as you'd like. The client will be able to toggle through them if you select more than one. You can load them here, or you can set the primary icon for the special using the Set Icon button. Images are easily removed by checking the boxes and selecting Remove Image. Ready to book some slots. You can choose to either add the slots one at a time or use a wizard to create many at once. The wizard will default to the start and end date that you selected. Now select your range, say we want to do this every 15 minutes, and it will tell you how many slots it's going to create. You can always remove and add items later. Let's say your special event occurs on multiple days. You can always use the wizard as many times as you wish to get the slots on the specific days in question. Another feature of specials available in BokehPix is the ability to add coupons. You can add as many coupon codes as you wish, saving various different amounts in dollars or as a percentage of the package. Simply type the number in one or the other column. You cannot type in both. Once you have a coupon code, you can email that to any clients that will then save them that amount of money on the package they select. Let's take a look at how this looks on our website. Notice that there will be a Specials menu tab. Inside of that will be all the upcoming specials that you have listed. As specials finish, it will drop off automatically from this website. Here we can see all the slots that we created and the 2 packages that we set up. The client now just needs to insert the package selection and insert their information from the contact questions that you set up. Optionally, they could enter a coupon here. The coupon section will only show if you've entered at least one coupon. Lastly, you can set up a time limit as to how long the client can get to actually check out before it expires. Let's take a look at how we can set all of these items up. The go live date will prevent people from actually booking slots until that go live date is arrived. Additionally, we can go to our account settings inside of our preferences, scroll toward the bottom where our defaults lie, and rearrange how many minutes a client has to check out from the special. You can also tag it to not expire if necessary. Let's see how our changes affected our website. Notice that instead of having slots, we have a message that says it's coming soon. Now that clients have started booking with us and we're becoming notified, we can take some actions on these slots. Let's say that we need to reserve a slot or make some notes. Clicking within the table will open up fields for you to input. If you want to reserve a slot, select the items you wish to reserve and make sure that nothing is populated in the first, last, or email, and select Reserve Slots. This will put the word reserved in the first name. It will make it inaccessible to book on the website. As clients book slots from your website, they will automatically have a session created for it. If someone were to cancel and you want to remove that session, simply select the item and say Cancel Appointments. This will remove the session that was created for that event. All refunds will have to be controlled by you. All parties would receive an email of the cancellation. Let's assume we're done with John Peters' session and we're ready to upload images. You can quickly find it with a global search and see that that session is available and that it is linked to the special that they booked. This will save you a lot of time in not having to create a session and fill out all the relevant information. It's automatically created on each booking event.